class we had discussed about addition, subtraction, multiplication of polynomials with the polynomials. Okay. Today we are going to talk about division of a polynomial with a polynomial. Okay. First of all we will discuss how to divide a monomial with a monomial. Okay. Before that, we need to talk about how to write a monomial in expanded form. Okay. For example, x cube y 3x cube y z. How to write this monomial in expanded form? Okay. This can be written as 3 into x cube. X cube means x into x into x into y into z. So this is how you have to write a monomial in expanded form. Okay. (25) x cube y square z power 4. Okay. How to write this monomial in expanded form? First of all, we have to factorize the numerical coefficient. Factorizing means resolving the numerical coefficient into, that means expressing a numerical coefficient into product of prime factors. So that is what we call it as prime factorization. So 25 can be written as 5 into 5. The prime factorization of 25 is 5 into 5 into x cube, x into x into x into y square, y into y into z power 4, z into z into z into z. Okay. Like this, we have to write the numerical the monomial in expanded form. For example, if the numerical coefficient is very simple, it is easy to write. Okay. Suppose if a monomial is given in this way, 125, or you can take this 144 a cube b square c square. 144. Okay. First of all, we have to factor this 144. Okay. Divide with 2. That means you have to divide only prime numbers. 2. 2 sums are 40. 2 2s are 4. Again, it is divisible by 2. 2. 2 3s are 6. 1 is a remainder. Okay. That becomes 12. 2 6 are 12. Again, it is divisible by 2. 2. 2 1s are 2. 1 is a remainder. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. Now it is not divisible by 2. 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So this can be written as 2 into, how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Into a cube. A into A into B square. B into B into C square. C into C. Okay. Like this, we have to factorize the numerical coefficient. That means expressing the numerical coefficient as the product of prime factors. Okay. And writing them in this way. And after that, little coefficients. Okay. Expanding the little coefficients. So this is called as expanded form of monomial. Expanded form of monomial. Okay. So like that, we have to write a monomial in an expanded form. Okay. So this is very important before we start learning dividing a monomial with a monomial. Okay. Now we will come to the point how to divide a monomial with a monomial. Okay. Monomial with a monomial. Okay. Divided by monomial. Okay. Okay. How to divide a monomial with monomial. Okay. So that we are going to talk about. So I'll take 7x cube y square divided by some, not 7, okay, I will take 27. 27x cube y square divided by 3xy. Okay. So write this like this: 27 x cube y square divided by 3xy. Now write the numerator in expanded form. So 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3s are 27. Into x cube, x into x into x into y square, y into y, by. Now write the denominator in expanded form. 3 into x into y. Now cancel the numerator and denominator because all are getting multiplied. 3, 3, 1 times. X, x, y, y. All the denominator got cancelled. Now write the remaining. 3 into 3, that is equal to 9. X into x, x square into y. So this is the quotient. Dividing a monomial with monomial. Okay. We'll take one more example. Minus 125 a cube b square c power 4 divided by 25 a square b c cube. Okay. Now how to write this in expanded form? As minus 5 into. Okay. Actually we have to write like this because the negative sign is there. Minus 1 into minus 125. 5 into 5 into 5. In this way. Okay. Minus 1 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. Into minus 1 is equal to minus 125. A cube into A into A into A. B square. B into B. C power 4. C into C into C into C. Divided by 25. 5 into 5 into A square. A into A into B. B into C cube. C into C into C. Okay. Now as usual. 5, 5. 1 times. 5, 5, 1 times. A. And A. Okay. B. C. Okay. All the denominator got cancelled. Now see the numerator. What is the remainder? Okay. So minus 1 into 5. So minus 5. A, 1 A. B, 1 B. How many B's? 1 B. How many C's? 1 C. A, B, C. Minus 5 A, B, C. So this is the answer. So how to divide a monomial with monomial? First of all, write the numerator and denominator in expanded form. Do the required cancellation and write the remainder. I mean the quotient. That means the answer. Okay. Okay. Is it necessary to write all the monomials in expanded form and like this? We can do it in simple way. Okay. I'll tell you another method. Okay. Without writing the numerator and denominator as expanded form, we can do this in simple cancellation. Okay. That means, for example, 8 a square b cube c by 4 a b c. Okay. I am not writing the numerator and denominator expanded form. Okay. So without that, I can do this in a simple cancellation. Okay. That means simply 4 divides 8. How many times? 2 times. A, cancel A, and you have to cancel the power of this A. 2 A's, 1 A got cancelled. So the remaining one is 1. B, here 3 B's. So 1 B will be cancelled. So what is the remaining power of 3 or 2? C. So what is the answer? 2 A B square. Okay. C is cancelled. So answer is 2 A B square. So like this also you can divide a monomial with a monomial by a simple cancellation. Okay, expanded form is one method and simple cancellation is another method. Okay, ma'am? Yes. So I think you understood this. In the next section we'll discuss how to divide a binomial with monomial and trinomial with monomial. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep subscribing to Prem Tutors. Thank you.